Kaunti ma Migori odagi tiyo koda kaka doho mar jotich e boma ma Kisumu nong'ado mondo duoke tich jotich moko 38 ma kaunti noero ma bende nochungie tich e kinde mokalo kendo bang'e nochiw tijego eko ne jotije mamoko. Sirikand kaunti ma Migori kod Public Service Board makono nochungo e tich ji 38 go eko ka ok giyango gimomiyo. Kata kamano jang'ada bura e doho mar jotich ma Kisumu manoeri Justice Matthews Nduma nong'ado mondo duokgi e tich manoeri Mikae Evelyn Atieno Wuora kaachiel kod jotije mamoko 38 kendo chulgi kaka owinjore. Evelyn Atieno Wuora kod jotije wetego eko wacho ni ne gitiyo e kaunti ma Migori kata kamano e kinde mapok loch gwenge nobetie. To kata kamano kwayo margi magisebedo ka gikwayo godo kaunti noero ma Migori mondo ondik gi e tich gi noero ma kaunti noero pok otimo nyaka gi e sechegi eki.
Workers of Migori County, the ones that were from the different local authorities, went to court in Kisumu, the labor court. They went to the labor court in Kisumu seeking to have their rights honored, seeking equal treatment with employees that had just been employed as employees of the county government. They have been since awarded certain monies and certain rights. Unfortunately, the county government of Migori has not honored the court judgment, and that's very unfortunate. So what I would ask these county public servants to do is to do a petition. Do a petition to Senate specifying their grievance, come before Senate and be heard. They are likely with the support of the Senate to get justice for themselves. So I'm appealing to them to come out because they are officials of the different local authority staff. They have an association or a union. They are officials. So they should come to court and no, they should come to Senate, petition Senate and request for specific remedies that would elevate or would ameliorate their situation. They are in a really difficult situation, is my request to them. Regarding the other staff that were on temporary terms and went to court, the information I have is that they may not have succeeded in court. This is just a rule. The information I have is a rule. I do not have the formal position. So I wouldn't be able to comment, but if they can come to my office and give me the documentation, if they can also petition Senate, it would allow me officially as a senator to intervene. But that again is very unfortunate. The employment situation in Migori County, the delayed salaries, the treatment and motivation of staff is something that